Hello everyone, welcome back. Ben Berlin here with Berlin Enterprises, as most of you already know. I finally decided to pick back up on this video series, this training series that's based on my one-on-one course that I've taught to a number of people and who have all seen successes from it. So I love to hear good stories about that. It's very rewarding to be able to do that. But I did quit this series for a while. I just wasn't sure how I wanted to proceed. There was a few reasons. I've helped out and given a lot of free information away over the years, and it really, competition is always good. I guess in the long run, it really is. It's caused me to grow. But what has happened more times than not is I'll give away information, and then people just take it and run and cut me out of deals, and that's okay. Everybody can do what they want. But I guess there's some sort of at times when there's some one-on-one giving of information, there's maybe a little bit of an expectation that it'll kind of come around in one way or another, and most of the time it hasn't. Maybe in the end, since it's taught me to do different avenues and keep growing and learning and staying one step ahead of the other people, maybe that is ultimately good. So so for that I'm grateful. But still, when you put a lot of time and energy and effort into helping others and giving away information, and you get nothing in return for it, it can be a little frustrating at times. So I was doing that with these videos. I have 17 videos, maybe 8 hours, 6 hours or so of content on them, something like that. And I was just giving them away all for free, and it was based on my course, and so people were just watching these and then not coming to me one-on-one, which is my one-on-one is way better. First of all, I'm not giving away, everything, all the information in these videos. It's nothing like working with me directly or with working with a mentor directly. I know I would never have gotten to where I've gotten if I hadn't have been for a in-person, one-on-one mentor, Jim Winchell. I'll always be grateful for that. I'll always give him credit for that. I would not be where I was today without him. So what I did is I began just showing the first, I think, couple minute or something, whatever Instagram allows. I think there's only a minute that it shows on the first video, or on each video. So then I thought, well, I'll just show the first minute clip, and then if somebody wants to proceed and go from there, we can talk, and I can release the rest of the footage from each video. So I just haven't done much more with it. The other reason why I stopped is I got a lot of crap from the last video. My video, what was it, 17, I guess, because I shot it on a large boat that I had and a sports car that I had, and I ended up selling both of those, and I turned that into an investment that has been paying me a substantial monthly income ever since, instead of costing me a substantial monthly income from those two things. So, but people, I got a lot of crap for it. Oh, don't listen to, Ben, he sold those, and he doesn't know what he's doing. And so I just thought, what, I'm just not even going to do any more videos. But then I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to finish out this series. I'm going to get entirely through my syllabus and my outline that I do for one-on-one students. I'm going to get all the way through it. And then I'm going to decide what to do. I think what I'm going to do is actually offer the whole series for a very reasonable cost, to people that want to see it. And I'm also working on, I almost have the full script and outline done for it, but I'm also working on basically an a la carte training series where you can pick just whatever topic that you want to purchase. I'm going to have, I think, 11 different main topics that we see in real estate. And you can pick whatever topic that you want to purchase. And so if you just want the video content, it's going to be a very reasonable cost. If you want some additional, if you want like contracts and paperwork, and spreadsheets that I've included, in that topic, you can pay a little bit more money. Then if you want what else? I included, I don't even remember right now, but I included another thing that you can pay some more. If you want the whole kit and caboodle, that'll be another different price. So I just think it'll be more appropriate to people that are wanting to learn on just one topic, instead of, this course kind of it's a kind of from A to Z, you know, start to finish, everything you need to know to set up your real estate empire. But it doesn't get extremely deep into any one topic. So at any rate, I think that's what I'm going to do for the future. I'm working on that. That's going to be released. Hopefully by end of the summer or so. There's going to be a ton of work that goes into it. Like I said, the outline's about done. But at any rate, I'm going to finish out this series. I'm still only going to show the first minute or 2 minutes or whatever it is of it. And then I'll offer the whole thing, for a very reasonable cost, because I figured, heck, I already have this much work into it. I might as well finish it. So I just want to tell you a little bit about what's going to be happening in the future on that front. So I guess I'll reserve my next video. I wanted to get into the Finding Deals Part 3. That's actually where we are in this series. We talked about finding deals, parts 1, simple, inexpensive ways to do it, guerrilla marketing and such. And then we talked about finding deals part 2, and that was video 16. And then 17 was the video I did on the boat. And then I guess 18 is this video, and then so 19 will be the Finding Deals Part 3. So I am going to do that video coming up here over the next day or so, and I'll release the beginnings of that, and then we can go from there. So I'm excited to continue on this journey with a lot of people. I still get inquiries regularly for people that want to talk about real estate. I love to talk about real estate. I've gone some unique directions in real estate, and I specialize in a few different things, but it still has me and has put me in a place that I never really dreamed that I'd be in 10, 15 years ago. It really is something. So every successful person has real estate as a large part of their portfolio, and the proof is in the pudding. So I realized something was missing when I'm not spreading this good news to out there to the ether. Just something was missing inside of me. So I'm back at it, and I'm excited, and let's rock and roll on this together, guys. So again, Ben with Berlin Enterprises. I will see you all soon. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.